Namaste. First of all, thank you so much for the genius talk and Divesh Bhai for creating such an amazing awareness podium કે જેમાં અવનવા પ્રોગ્રામ્સ અથવા અવનવી વસ્તુઓને આપણને જાણવાનો મોકો મળે. My name is Dr. Deepa Raja and I'm going to share my journey with my friendship with dyslexia. Dyslexia. અવનવો શબ્દ લાગે છે નહીં? Isn't it little different? To simplify, dyslexia. Dys એટલે difficulty, lexia અથવા lexis એટલે language. So difficulty with language. Children generally who are really zesty, who are really smart, who are overall logical and out of the box thinkers really get into the shell when it comes to reading or writing. Why does this happen? And do you know that almost 10 to 15% of children across the globe are suffering from dyslexia? Dyslexia માં એક વસ્તુ ખૂબ જ important છે, which is the intelligent quotient. Children with dyslexia have average to above average IQ, right? So there is nothing to worry about. But dyslexia is not a disability. Dyslexia is a different ability. So we are going to go through a journey, my life journey, about my encounters as a mother and as a therapist. My elder child, Hitarth, is severely dyslexic. If I start from the beginning, I am actually a homeopath and I was practicing homeopathy amazingly well. Then I got pregnant and then the doctor told me on the 3rd month that you are having rubella infection. See, why am I sharing all these things? Because it is very important right now as an awareness. Okay, rubella infection આવ્યું and then I was advised rest. Being a medico myself, what I did was I started taking up all the books. And quote here that this was not an internet ka zamana. Okay, we did not have internet. So we had to extract things from the books. So I started reading the books that what happens if I have rubella infection. I realized that rubella infection can cause some deformities in a child. Okay, here again I'm trying to tell you that it is not just rubella infection जिससे dyslexia होता है. Okay, there are many more causes, many more. It could be stress during pregnancy. It could be genetic. 65% of children having dyslexia have a genetic connection. It could be biological. Okay, it could be due to fall or an accident. But there is more and more of causes, but this was one of them and I have gone through that. So I am sharing this very closely. I delivered a healthy baby boy and he was absolutely fine. Honestly, for the first 2-3 years, I tend to forget that there was any issue or I had rubella or all those things. But here, the issue was that the developmental milestones like sitting, જેમ કે બેસવાનું, ચાલવાનું, 4 પગે ચાલવાનું, which is called crawling. Okay, this is a very important skill in the child's life for learning. So Hitarth did not crawl. Okay, so this was there. He was a late walker. Baaki things were pretty much okay. Okay, nothing to worry about at that point. He started his schooling. You know, as a mother, like we're also enthusiastic about sending our child to the school. So he started his schooling at 3 years of age. And I was also one of those, rigorous mother કે હા મારા બાળકને તો બધું આવડી જ જવાનું છે. Being a scholar myself, I was very sure કે આને તો બધું આવડવું જ જોઈએ, This is a mindset of ableism which we are all going through. આપણી સોસાયટીમાં this is very common કે આ તો આવડવું જ જોઈએ, આટલું તો કરવું જ જોઈએ, આટલું તો બાળકને કરાવવું જ જોઈએ, you know, all those things. So then as soon as he started learning alphabets, okay, the teacher used to call me almost every single day saying, मैम आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन टीच योर चाइल्ड, उसको कुछ नहीं आता है, वो पूरा उल्टा लिखता है, लेफ्ट राइट में कन्फ्यूजन करता है. एंड टू माई सरप्राइज, वेन एवर आई यूज टू गो टू स्कूल, द टीचर यूज टू शो मी द पेपर वेयर हितार्थ had written completely in the reversals, completely mirror images, okay, and right to left. Now can you imagine, pura right to left, mirror images, reversals, shoes अलग अलग पहनता था, उसको direction का पता नहीं था, is it right or left. This much difficulty he was going through, and I assure you कि teacher ने उसको लगाया भी है कि रोज तो पढ़ाती हूँ, रोज तो पढ़ाती हूँ, why are you not learning. That time I realized that something is wrong, something is missing out, okay. That time fortunately I got an opportunity to attend one of the workshops where dyslexia was taught. You know, it was a workshop on dyslexia. So I started connecting that okay, these are the signs which I am looking at my son also, and there was a strong connection which I was feeling. Immediately I took a decision to go to Mumbai to the therapist. अच्छा, at least if she is able to understand me, मुझे कुछ बताएगी, मुझे क्या करना है इसके साथ. Because जब हितार्थ बात करता था तो it was out of the world, वही लगता था like he is just talking out of the world, उसके पास imagination इतना है. Then why is he having issues learning language? इवन विद द सीक्वेंसिंग, यू नो, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे वेंसडे, सीक्वेंसिंग भी नहीं था, अल्फ़ाबेट्स ABCDE, नथिंग वॉज देयर. व्हेन आई वेंट टू मुंबई, I was asked to do his assessment. Now this is called a psychoeducational assessment. तो psychoeducational assessment में क्या होता है generally, that a child is tested across his IQ, his phonological awareness, his processing skills, his memory skills and his expression. So you won't believe, जो एक वीक मेरा गया है जब तक रिपोर्ट नहीं आया था मुंबई में, it was devastating. I was like completely into that anxiety कि क्या होगा, क्या होने वाला है. And then during that time, Hitarth was away from his family, away from his home. So can you imagine the amount of psychological turmoil a child goes through? वो सबसे दूर है, राइट. एंड उसको जब भी पता चलता है कि मुझे रीडिंग नहीं आती इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, राइट, बाकी सब आता है, बाकी सबको क्यों ईजीली आ जाता है, मुझे क्यों नहीं आ रहा है ये सब. सो इवन दैट फीलिंग वॉज किलिंग बोथ ऑफ अस. जब रिजल्ट आया तो थेरेपिस्ट ने मुझे बताया दैट हितार्थ इज डायग्नोस्ड विथ हैविंग सिवियर डिसलेक्सिया. सिवियर डिसलेक्सिया. You won't believe, मेरे जैसा दुनिया ही टूट गई. You know, I was completely broken, devastated कि मेरे बच्चे में ऐसा क्यों है, मेरे ही बच्चे में क्यों है, बाकी सबको तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But I had only 3 days to sulk for that. बाकी I had to pick up myself and figure out कि चल हितार्थ, let's start our journey together and let's go towards journey of CANS. ये नहीं आता, ये नहीं आता, क्या आता है, क्या हम लोग कर सकते हैं. That time I had also started a book. Again here I am reiterating that it was not an internet का ज़माना. Okay, we had to extract knowledge from the books. So that time I read a book, The Gift of Dyslexia. There I started figuring out that there are so many creative talents these children have. And then you realize कि इतने सारे फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ लाइक अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, स्टीव जॉब्स, लाइक वी आर ऑल यूजिंग आईफोन राइट नाउ, राइट. तो स्टीव जॉब्स, टॉम क्रूज, थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन, सबको स्कूल से निकाल दिया गया था, बट फिर भी they are there where they are right now. Okay, they did something out of the box. So at least that started giving me that hope and positivity कि नहीं कुछ तो हो सकता है. I stayed in Mumbai for almost 3 to 4 months. Very, very difficult time for me and Hitarth both, because we were away from the family. Hitarth was going low on his confidence and self-esteem. So my first priority I took was that I am not going to let his self-esteem or confidence go down. You know, that was my first priority. सिखाऊंगी आराम से, बट ये तो पहले करूंगी कि उसका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ट रहे. देन आई रियलाइज कि 4 months के बाद भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं आ रहा. तो जो मैं बुक पढ़ रही थी, आई गॉट एन एड्रेस ऑफ डिसलेक्सिया इंस्टीट्यूट, एगम, सरे, UK. Okay, this was the address I got. I came back home and I shared this with my family that okay, I'm planning कि मैं हितार्थ को लेके लंदन जाने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट कैन वी डू फॉरवर्ड, ये करना है. सोसाइटल प्रेशर्स, रिलक्टेंस, डिनायल, दीज वर द क्रक्स. किसी को मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं था. Nobody was ready to accept कि हितार्थ में कोई इशू है, बिकॉज हम लोग सब वो डिनायल में चले जाते, नहीं ये तो थोड़े टाइम चलेगा, यू नो, सोटी वागे सम विद्या वे रमजम, यू नो. बट कितना भी मारो उसको पढ़ाई नहीं आ रही थी. ऑलराइट, सो देन देयर वाज दैट फाइट कमिंग अप कि जो भी हो, जिसको भी मुझ पे भरोसा हो तो ठीक है, नहीं है तो भी ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट मूविंग टू लंदन. I went there with Hitarth alone in the city, and then I went to this Dyslexia Institute. I said, this is my kid, I want to assess him, and then I want to know what can be done further. He got assessed again. I was basically little bit ready कि हाँ, मुझे पता था उसको dyslexia है, उसको severe dyslexia है. That time the therapist there told me that Hitarth is having above average intelligence, okay, but his scores on phonological awareness, जैसे spelling सीखते हैं, वो जो basic phonological skills होती है, that was much below average, you know. So he could talk wonders, he had amazing imagination, he had amazing logical skills, but when it comes to reading, writing or learning any sort of language, he was struggling. Right? So then we started the intervention therapy. What is intervention? मैं उसका ब्रेन का कोई बायोलॉजी तो चेंज नहीं कर सकती, जो स्ट्रक्चर है तो वही रहने वाला है. बट what we can do with multisensory teaching or multisensory intervention is that we give them pathways, we give them bypass for learning differently. So we use all the senses. कि उसकी एक सेंस में थोड़ा ट्रैफिक जैम है, तो लेट्स यूज अदर सेंसेस सो दैट ही कैन परसीव बेटर. हितार्थ स्टार्टेड द थेरेपी. आई वॉज completely engrossed as a mother, giving him all the exposure available there. कि कोई बात नहीं, साइकोलॉजिकली तो मैं तेरे साथ ही हूँ बच्चा. पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस, वार्मथ, उसका इसका कॉन्फिडेंस, कहीं पे भी पैप अप करना होता है तो वी वर देयर, वी वुड बी डूइंग दैट. एंड हियर अगेन आई वांट टू रिएटरेट, मी एंड हितार्थ वेर अलोन देयर. देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि सी, द फैमिली इज इन राजकोट, सो यू कांट completely shift to London. You have to go back to India. You have to go back to Rajkot, and Hitarth will have to study in his school. So if I'm a mother and if I'm telling the school, I'm sure none of them will be listening to me. So I realized that I will have to train myself for that. From that time, I started enrolling myself onto the courses. Being a medico myself, I passed through the interviews of university, and then I got my admission on the psychological testing and then masters in special educational needs and disabilities. So the learning journey as a therapist from the mother started from there, and it is still on. You know, learning never stops. Abhi bhi I am on to one or the other courses. Okay, I have never stopped learning. Then the time came when we have to come back here. Okay, I came back to Rajkot. I approached the schools. The schools said, ठीक है, Hitarth has dyslexia, but we do not have trained teachers to cater to his needs. So what can be done? That time I was asked to be in the school for Hitarth. I said, ठीक है, we'll take him, but you come to school and you teach him, or you be an aid to him. So I said, okay. And I tend to bring all the programs या multisensory intervention methods जो बोलते हैं, I try to bring it here so that मैं हितार्थ को help कर सकूँ. But what happened was that with Hitarth, we started identifying more and more children in the school कि अच्छा इसको भी है, अच्छा इसको भी है. Teachers started being more empathetic, saying, okay, ma'am, let's learn more about this. How can we help? So that's how the community started building. And we started more and more teacher training. We emphasized more on screening and early identification. What happens here is, please do not waste time कि हाँ ये हो जाएगा, इसको 3-4 साल तो ऐसे ही होता है, हर बार सीख जाते हैं, 6 साल के बाद सीखेंगे या 8 साल के बाद सीखेंगे. Please do not waste time here. Early identification is extremely important so that we can help bridge the gap. डिस्लेक्सिक बच्चों की एबिलिटी यहाँ पे होती है, बट अटेनमेंट यहाँ पे होता है. सो गैप काफ़ी बड़ा होता है, राइट. सो इफ़ यू आइडेंटिफाई देम अर्ली tremendously well, you are going to make a child's future. Gradually we started this journey of making more awareness amongst teachers, amongst parents, and also that time there was a movie, Tare Zameen Par, which was a boon to us. The movie actually gave the right direction in terms of that a child is differently abled. But what could have been more was that there are many other strategies also which could help the child. जैसे कितने तारे हमारे ज़मीन पर है, why shouldn't we try and pick them up and help them shine? Coming back to my son Hitarth. So what happened was that he started getting onto the school and getting all the aids, उसको speech to text, जैसे अभी तो technology का world है. So there are a lot of technological aids in terms of speech to text, text to speech, read aloud, all those things. And many boards were also open enough. Okay, that time many boards were open. Today all the boards are open. Okay, that's a tremendous shift in Indian education system. All the boards are open, all the boards are inclusive and accessible right now. कोई भी बच्चा अगर earlier आपने identify किया है और आप बोर्ड को बताते हो, तो board is open enough to give them 25% extra time, reader, writer, breaks बीच में, all those things. With Hitarth's strengths were he was a very good orator. Okay, he was a very good leader. But I was happy enough कि उसमें इतना इंस्टिल कर पाई मैं कि he was बिंदास saying कि मुझे डिसलेक्सिया है, मैं स्पेलिंग ठीक से नहीं लिख पा रहा हूँ. He would talk on the stage and I bet there would be 500 people listening to him without moving. He was also the president of the Interact Club. Okay, at that point also he started getting onto the government schools because he himself had suffered this, so he wanted to create more of the awareness कि see dyslexia कोई अमीर का disease तो नहीं है या disability नहीं है या difficulty नहीं है, it's like common all over. So he started his journey also figuring out कि हम लोग कैसे इनको help कर सकते हैं. Right now, presently, he is doing his last year in law. Okay, so जो बच्चा नहीं पढ़ पा रहा था, वहाँ से to becoming a lawyer, to carrying out activities in the society, this was the journey he has done. Coming back to my journey, what happened was that I became an integral part of the education system here. Okay, because I am more of a special educator. Okay, SEN का मतलब होता है स्पेशल एजुकेशनल नीड्स. सो स्पेशल एजुकेशनल नीड्स को एजुकेशन में इंटीग्रेशन कराने की मेरी बहुत तमन्ना थी, दैट एवरी स्कूल should have a special educator on board. Every teacher should be knowing how to identify a child early. So as I said earlier, we had started an amazing awareness campaign where we did a lot of trainings. We gave out a lot of checklists ourselves to the teachers. And to my surprise, lots and lots of teachers approached us कि मैम हम इनको कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं, मुझे इसके साथ काम करना है. And I bet teachers were empathetic after listening to the issue. So the issue was उनको पता नहीं था. What are we doing right now? We have brought all the intervention strategies जो भी available है world में, that is there available at iSense Multisensory Lab where we are working right now. We work for psychological assessment, we work for intervention, we work for IEPs, because that the child is intelligent, the child has issue with his ability. So how to bridge the gap? We've also spoken on international podium to figure out कि कहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं या special education needs में और क्या कर सकते हैं. Here we had a talk with CBSE system also. What can be other strategies or aids for children having dyslexia? Dyslexia is affecting at least 15 to 20% right now. The latest data says it's 15 to 20%. So my genuine request to all of you who are listening this, first, please, please, please do not ignore the early signs. Please do not waste time. And once you realize that there is some issue, उसका हाथ पकड़ो कि चल, let's have an amazing journey together of to-dos. तू ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, ये नहीं कर सकता. But we have to come out of this societal pressure. Society का pressure क्या है? नहीं, अगर academia है, अगर academics में high है, तो ही उसका उसका significance है. अगर नहीं है, तो कुछ नहीं है. So don't go with this stereotype thinking. Go out of the box. Come up with a learning profile of a child in terms of what are his strengths and what are his weaknesses, and how can you use the strengths to weaken the weaknesses. So come up with this thing. Being a family member or a teacher or a parent or a society member itself, just look around you. If there are children, if there are adults who are facing this, bring them, take the help, hold their hand and go towards the journey of CANS. So if I say that if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life that it's stupid. But otherwise, everyone is a genius. Thank you.